Dunkeswell radio, this is Golf Oscar Foxtrot Romeo Yankee, request radio check and airfield information.
Romeo Yankee, good morning. Readability 522, left hand, QNH 1014.
Runway 22, left hand circuit, QNH 1014, readability 5, also Golf Romeo Yankee. Brakes holding. Alternator charging, suction is good. Relatively hot. Now drop, set back to call, magnetos. Left, both, right, both. Pressure is 100 RPM. Trim is set for takeoff. Throttle fix your finger tight. Mixture is rich. Carburetor cold. Magnetos on both.
Good morning, November 75822. Radio check and airfield information, please.
Morning, runway 1, correction, runway 22, left hand circuit, the QNH 1014.
22 left hand and 1014, November 822.
Golf Romeo Yankee lining up runway 22. Golf Romeo Yankee taking off runway 22.
Romeo Yankee, roger.
Dunkeswell radio, Golf Charlie India, Whiskey Papa, radio check and aerodrome information.
Whiskey Papa, good morning. Readability 5, 22 left hand, and the QNH 1014.
Strength 5, 22 left, and QNH 1014. Golf Whiskey Papa.
Dunkeswell radio, Golf Delta Uniform November Kilo, understand 22 left, QNH 1014, request radio check.
November Kilo, good morning. Readability 5, details are correct.
Reading 5, also Golf November Kilo.
Golf Sierra Charlie, downwind left 22. Golf Romeo Yankee, leaving the circuit to the northeast, we'll call back on a rejoin.
Romeo Yankee, roger.
Dunkeswell radio, this is Golf Romeo Yankee, requesting joining information, please.
Romeo Yankee, runway 22, left hand circuit, the QFE on 983 hectopascal.
Say again QFE, please. Golf Romeo Yankee.
Golf Romeo Yankee, the QFE at 983 hectopascal.
Runway 22 left hand circuit, QFE 983 hectopascals. Golf Romeo Yankee. Golf Romeo Yankee, joining left base, runway 22 for touch and go. Golf Romeo Yankee, turning final runway 22 for touch and go. Golf Romeo Yankee, downwind runway 22 for full stop. Golf Romeo Yankee, left base, runway 22 for full stop. Golf Romeo Yankee, final runway 22 for full stop.